Booty, 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 booty cleaner. Yo, welcome to the Chrono Show, my niggas. Turn the hypeness on the overflow, my niggas. Yes, well, YouTube is my life, man. I'd be lying if I said it's all nice, man. Do you know the type of hate you get is crazy? But I ain't no crybaby. My fellow booty cleaners, we a team. And if you got an issue, then well, you can leave. I hate to say this while I'm trying to do that. I should've said it from the start, I really can't rap. Yo, wait, hold on. I don't know what kind of channel trailer this is. Like, this is some bullshit, man.
Really, nigga?
You got no females. You're out here in a wrinkled ass blue shirt. Just leave. Like, literally just leave. You don't have to be the host of this show. Like, you know you ugly as hell. But hey, man, if y'all like to watch an ugly dude react to stuff and desperately try to be funny, then this is the guy for you. Also, I mean, he likes to dance. I mean, he kind of a loser. By the way, this is my evil side. This is like my conscience right here. I don't even know why. Well, fuck it. DJ, roll the dance clips for this ugly ass nigga, man. Goddamn. That will cap off my channel trailer. Remember, my fellow booty cleaners and finessers, always have a great day. If not, hopefully my videos can pick up your spirits. We are all about positive vibes up in this area. So I will catch you guys later. Once again, my fellow booty cleaners and finessers, I am out. Deuces.